If you're thinking about moving in Cedar Park and looking for new construction, you gotta know about this neighborhood. This is one of the luxury builders, Toll Brothers, right here at Crestline at Brushy Creek. We are gonna be talking about what they have to offer and how many homes are being built, because these are going really fast, guys. You would think that some of the subdivision right here, they give lots of incentives, they give lots of other closing costs, but this one is doing so well and so many people want to move into Cedar Park in a new construction. This is the only area, and there's only also one more, but for luxury builder, Toll Brothers and Crestline at Brushy Creek, it's going crazy, guys. They also have a waiting list. So if you're thinking about moving to Cedar Park and this community, make sure you reach out to me. That being said, let's go ahead and talk about Crestline right here in Cedar Park, Texas. If you're looking for luxury new construction in Austin area, this community needs to be on your list. Today, I'm taking you inside Crestline at Brushy Creek by Toll Brothers, where luxury homes, nature, and lifestyle all come together in one of the most desirable areas just outside Austin. If you're thinking about location, Crestline at Brushy Creek is located in Cedar Park, one of the fastest growing and most desirable suburbs in Austin area. You're close to Highway 183, Highway 45, the Domain, and major tech employers like Apple and Dell. Shopping, dining, and everyday essentials, so you get the perfect balance of convenience and the quiet suburban living. About this community, what really sets this community apart is the lifestyle design. This isn't just homes, it's a master planned outdoor experience. According to the community concept, scenic nature trails throughout the neighborhood, boardwalks that let you walk through preserved natural area, gathering spaces where neighbors can relax and connect, educational nature signage highlighting local plants and environment, access to water features, kayak launch, and fishing areas. This creates a community where you're not just living, you're actually experiencing nature every day. Now let's talk about Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers is known for luxury construction and high-end finishes, and you really see that here. Some standout features include 8-foot doors and modern baseboards, open layout with high ceilings, soft close cabinets and designer kitchens, quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, tankless water heater and energy-efficient systems, smart home features and security system. These homes are designed for both comfort and long-term value. Let's talk about what buyers really want to know, floor plans and pricing. The Juniper Collection offers a range of luxury homes starting around $1.1 million and going up to $1.25 million, depending on plan and elevation. Here are some of the example floor plans and their square footages. These homes are built for entertaining, working from home, multi-generational living, yes, for those that have the in-laws, luxury lifestyle buyers. So if you like any of these homes or the floor plans, make sure you let me know. There is also a looking back floor plan on my YouTube channel for those that like the looking back, which is one of the popular plans over here. Now let's talk about the outdoor living community experience. One of my favorite things about Crestline is how it integrates outdoor living into daily life. You're not just near nature, it's built into the community, like the walking and biking trails, picnic and gathering areas, shaded seating spaces, connection to Brushy Creek outdoors. It truly feels like a luxury retreat within the city. If you're wanting to move here in this community, you gotta act fast because they only have 140 lots and they've already sold 40 plus, so give or take, it's only 100 lots left and they have a waiting list. So if you're thinking about Cedar Park, which is central of everything, guys. They've got 3 huge trails going, one in the back, one on that side, and on the other side. Lots of activities outdoors for your kids. Everything within 10 minutes from here. Whatever activity you're wanting to do, it's right here. Why do I know this? Because I live right here in Cedar Park, Texas, and I know everything that this community has to offer. So if you're looking for a lot, wanting to build from ground up and want that specific lot, don't wait, because these lots are not going to last that long. Now, some of the buyer tips. If you're considering buying, here are a few things you should know. Price does not include lot premiums. Yes, lot premiums you gotta pay separately. Builder incentives can vary. Timing matters, early versus later phase. So make sure you guys know the timing when you're building your house. Always review total tax rate and HOA. Guys, it's so important to make sure that you come here with a representation. Realtors are going to be helping you guys. The sales reps are helping the builder. They're not there for you. So as an agent, I have so many clients already building here in the Crestline community itself. And I already know the sales reps right here. Both of them are wonderful. I've already have that connection, the build relationship on helping you as a buyer to get the incentives that you may not even know what to ask for. So make sure you have an agent all the time, not just for new construction, but whatever you're looking for, to help you and represent you. Why buyers love Crestline? What makes Crestline stand out is luxury design, quality builder, strong location in Cedar Park, nature-focused community planning, high-end floor plans with flexibility. It's a great option for buyers looking for elevated living in Austin area. Now, schools do matter, and this is why a lot of people are moving here in Cedar Park, Texas. For many buyers, schools are an important factor. Crestline at Brushy Creek is located in a highly rated school district, making it attractive for families. It also is appealing to professionals relocating to Austin, move-up buyers looking for newer luxury homes. If you're thinking about buying in Crestline and Brushy Creek to explore Toll Brother homes, I'd love to help compare options and find the right fit. There you guys have it right here, a luxury builder in Cedar Park, Texas, where everybody wants to be. Behind me, they're going to be model homes. They're not even done yet, and they're selling that quick. So if you're thinking about moving to Cedar Park and want a new construction home, you got to check out this place and let me know, because I can help you guys navigate into a new construction build inventory homes that they have, which is very limited, and they're only taking about 2 to 3 contracts per month if you wanted to build from ground and above. So make sure you reach out to me. This is Rima Bhavsar, your Austin local realtor. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button, but I will see you next time.